You just woke up a few minutes ago, I think so.
No,
Okay.
I woke up at 6:30.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yes.
And what did you do? Okay. 6:30.
Delayed by 45 minutes.
Delayed. What did you do for 45 minutes?
Sorry?
What did you do
I
for 45
usually
minutes?
wake up at 5:45.
Oh, okay. And what do you do? After waking up at 5:45, what do you do?
Divyam has school at 7:30. So I
Okay.
prepare his tiffin and wake him up and make him ready for school.
Hmm.
And then I drop him to school, then make breakfast.
But today he might not have school, no? Today is Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I delayed my time by 45 minutes.
Okay. Do you know what the topic which we have for today?
If I would be a doctor, something.
A doctor's dilemma. Do you know what the
Dilemma.
meaning of the word dilemma?
No.
Dilemma is when you are confused between two situations. And as in, both the situations are not negative. It's not as if in one you will die, one you will live. It is more on the lines of, let's say, um, Divyam is your son. I'm also your
Yeah.
son. And you have to do something. You'll save either his life or my life.
Okay.
Only one person's life can be saved. No? So if you save his life, I will lose my life. If you save my life, he will lose his life. That's the dilemma.
Okay.
So I'll tell you what the situation is, and then we will talk about the topic. Doctors often have to make tough calls. So the question is, what would you do if you were in one of these situations? The situation is, you are a doctor at a top hospital. You have six critical patients, five
Wait,
of
wait,
whom.
wait. Before we start, I think he's gonna interrupt us. So please talk to him first.
Hi.
Hi.
See, we are both wearing the same T-shirt, same color.
Yes.
You like red? Which is your
Great.
favorite color?
Which is your favorite color?
Blue.
And
Yes.
which is your favorite animal?
Animal. Dog.
Why not dinosaur?
Hmm?
Why not dinosaurs? They're not nice.
Dinosaurs don't exist now. That's why.
So क्या हो गया? Why not dinosaur? Why don't you like dinosaurs?
I have one pigeon also in my home.
You have a pigeon. Show.
Yes.
Show me the
Really?
pigeon.
Okay, I'm going to sing.
Okay. You have six critical patients, five of whom are in urgent need of organ transplants. Five are in need of organ transplants. You can't help them because there are no available organs that can be used to save their lives. The sixth patient will die without a particular medicine.
Mm.
Okay, sit.
It's so nice. The pigeon
It's
doesn't get
different,
scared.
right?
Huh?
Doesn't get scared.
No, it's he don't want to go outside.
Oh,
He stays at home without cage.
cage.
Uh,
It's so
See?
nice.
No. Wait.
Okay, go. Divyam, bye. No, go outside, please.
Okay. And
Nice, yeah.
now.
Very nice.
Divyam, please go outside with him for 5 minutes only. Yeah, where we are?
Okay. The sixth patient, however, will die without a particular medicine. If they die, if the sixth patient dies, you will be able to save the other patients, the five patients, by using the organs of patient six, who is an organ donor. If the sixth
Okay.
patient dies without the particular medicine, you will be able to save the other five patients by using the organs of the sixth patient, who is an organ donor. What do you do?
It's not on me, 100%. I can
But
only
right
convince
now, it's
the
on you.
family, and there is a law. We can't, doesn't matter he's going to die or not. Even he is going to die in 5 minutes, we can't kill a person. We can't kill him before his natural death.
Okay. So you'll okay. Um.
It's
Okay.
I have watched Kajol's new movie. I don't
You have watched
remember the name.
Salam Venki.
Ha, Salam Venki.
It
And
is based on this.
it's clearly mentioned in that movie that today you don't. Okay, go. Please go.
Go.
Even if person wants to donate his organs,
Hmm.
then also he has to file, ask the law, can he donate or not? It's a
Hmm.
very long procedure. So and as we know, we have to make sure that the person who is donating had is dying in hospital at the very particular time, so organ has not much life.
Hmm.
So they are all, I think most of them have only 4 or 5 hours to transplant.
Okay. That is
We
not.
can only preserve for 6 or 7 hours most of the organs. So it, we can't donate a person's organ like that, like even if we are doctor and we are assuming that he is going to die. It's good, if we can do that, but other people can get advantage of it.
Correct.
A poor family people will take a person and says that he is ill, or
Hmm.
that's why.
No, but in this situation, you know the person is unwell. Everything is in front of you. It's not
Even
like
if we
anything
know that
happening.
he is unwell, he is going to die, but we don't know when.
You know, because without a particular medicine, the person is going to die. I think you missed
Okay.
that part. It's okay. The topic is a little complex. So maybe you missed it because a lot of information was being given to you. So in this situation, without a particular medicine, the sixth patient will die. And
Okay.
to be absolutely honest, I'm going to be with you because in this situation, you are going to be killing one person to save the lives of other five people. But if I give the medicine to the sixth person, the other five will die on their own. I'm not going to kill them.
Yeah, that's true.
I am honestly with you in this situation.
Yeah. Okay. If I will give the 6th person the medicine, he's gonna live. So that then we can't do that.